We're
Default
going to
text.
search for the Texas Education Agency on Google.
Once we're on the Texas Education Agency website, we'll search for STAAR Release Test Questions. We'll then select the 2022 tab, and from there, choose the grade level 3rd, 4th, and so on to locate the math test form. We now have access to the 2022 math test questions. Let's solve them one by one. Use do those same steps again for 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th grade.
Derek drew two congruent figures. What does congruent mean in math? Congruent means same shape and size. He then shaded 1 over 4 of each figure. Which figures could be the ones Derek drew and shaded? D is the correct answer here. Question number 30. Alex bought 4 packages of pink golf balls and 2 packages of orange golf balls. There were 12 golf balls in each package. How many golf balls did Alex buy? The total number of golf ball packages is 6, consisting of 4 pink packages and 2 orange packages. Then multiplied the sum by the number of golf balls in each package. 12 times 6 equals 72. Hence, F is the correct answer. Question number 31. The pictograph shows the number of games each team in a volleyball league won during one season. Each ball means 3 games won. Which table represents the data in the pictograph? Let's count the number of balls in each team. Multiplied the number of whole volleyball icons shown in each column by 3, we will see the number of games each team won. C is the correct answer. Question number 32. At the beginning of September, Mr. Watkins had 543 erasers. During September, he gave his students 99 of the erasers. During October, he gave his students 212 of the erasers. How many erasers did Mr. Watkins have at the end of October? We subtracted 99 from 543 equals 444, then subtracted 212 from 444 equals 232. So, G is the correct answer.